everyone. Oh my god. It is me, JayCIngram, and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, girls, I'm going to be doing a quick rundown and review of the new lip bar not fast face concealers, but quick concealers, because they are very quick and very easy to use. So if you guys want to see a review slash slightly of first impressions of this product, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this video, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join my little family over here. We are almost to 3K. I'm trying to get to 3K really soon. So if you are a fan of the lip bar or a fan of just beauty entertainment videos, then click that subscribe button, hit the bell notification button to be notified for all my future videos. And also, if you guys are enjoying yourself, if you guys are enjoying me, if you guys enjoy the lip bar, then give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just get into this video. Hey you guys, I am back. This is my second time recording this because my mic was not plugged in yesterday and the audio was just trash, and I can't give you guys trash content. If I think it's trash, girl, I want y'all to enjoy what I love in my content. So I feel like it's a good thing too. Maybe it was just in the universe. So these are some benefits of the concealer. So the concealer is medium to buildable coverage, meaning that you can use more or less product depending on how much coverage you desire. You can blend the product by using your finger or a brush or a sponge, which I like using personally. I love using a sponge to blend out my concealer. And yeah, this 6-shade collection of self-setting, brightening, and nourishing concealers are infused with caffeine to wake up the look of sleepy eyes. Existing complexion family system. If you wear 402 foundation, you would want the 4 o'clock concealer. Okay, so if y'all do wear the fast face foundation system, then like it's pretty much just laid out for y'all. For customers who do not have our foundation or do not know which shade to select, please direct them to our shop by complexion player. Okay, so I'll leave that down below as well. So there are 6 shades, yes. Some brands do release like 20 to 40 shades of concealer, but the lip bar, they pretty much do the opposite of whatever every other brand is doing, which is a good thing, girl. You don't want to be like the same. You don't want to be like everybody else. You want to be different, and that's a good thing. So they are only 6 shades, which is to go with their foundation system, which there are 6 families of shades that is in their fast face line. So which I feel like is really good. So I did use the concealer to cut out my brows. I'm also going to use the same shade, which is 3 o'clock caramel. I'm going to use that to cover up this boo-boo that's right here. As y'all can see, I'm going to use that to conceal that up under my foundation. You can use the concealer to conceal under your foundation or on top. It doesn't really matter, but you know, some people love concealer just for quick, like, you know, something under their eyes to make them feel awake, which is the caffeine is in it just for that, just so, like, you know, it can depuff your eyes as well and make you look more awake as well. I'm going to let this sit and, like, you know, blend this out, and that's pretty much the only boo-boo that I have on my skin. And yeah, pretty much I'm going to use the whole fast face system. Of course, it wouldn't be a lip bar video if I did not use it, and to see how everything is, you know, coexisting with one another with this line. So this is not a first impressions. Yesterday was technically my first impressions. This is just a review, and I'm really upset that I'm reviewing this again. So I noticed that this shade also has a peach undertone. The 3 o'clock one that goes with the 3 o'clock family, it has a peach undertone, and I actually like that because it's really good. Like, peach is really good for canceling out dark circles. If y'all do also hear something in the background, girl, that's my air conditioner. It gets hot in this room. I'm about to set this concealer too, because if you color correct, y'all need to set y'all concealer. So pretty much I'm about to just talk to y'all about my first impressions yesterday while I was using the powder and what I think about it. I mean, not the powder, but while I was using the concealer and what I think about the concealer and whatnot while I'm just doing my face. So y'all see that? Like, y'all saw how dark that mark was. Y'all not gonna see that anymore once I put on my foundation. So I'm about to just go in with a little primer. This is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. So my first impressions yesterday was definitely, oh shit, was definitely that it was actually really creamy, and it actually did do what it stated to do. I'm about to just set my primer like I always do, unless I'm using a mattifying foundation. That's when I don't do that, but this foundation is not mattifying. So I'm gonna go in with my Fast Face foundation. As y'all can see, I'm running low. This is my favorite foundation, y'all, and I'm just gonna paint the town. As y'all saw, girl, the Fast Face foundation is literally like one of my faves. It literally is. And I don't even run out of foundations like that. That just shows y'all something. I don't run out of foundations often because I barely use my makeup. I barely wear it too. I don't think y'all realize how good this foundation is. Like, oh my god. And the fact that most people do not use this foundation to its full potential, it's just beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with the concealer, and yeah, that's how the doe foot looks. It's like a flat pointed tip doe foot. This is the shade 3 o'clock. I don't wear a lot of concealer simply because, I don't know, I just don't. And this concealer, it dries down, it does, but it doesn't dry too fast to where you won't have enough time to actually blend it out. It dries down a fair amount of time, I would say. I don't really do the whole 9 yards that everybody do with that concealer. I don't do that anymore. I used to, but I just feel like I don't need it. And I'm taking shade 2 o'clock Honey to brighten. You don't have to use this step. You could just, you could perfectly just use the shade that is for your family, your shade family. But I'm extra and I love makeup. So yesterday also I did contour with this. I used shade 6 o'clock Ebony to contour, and I think I am again today, but I put a little bit too much yesterday. Mind you, y'all, this concealer sets by itself, so I could blend this out. Yesterday when I blended it out, I noticed that I didn't have any creasing under my eye. I was like, whoa, because that, like, that never happened to me before. So I'm not really used to a self-setting concealer, but it did that, I could definitely say. And when I set it with powder, like a loose powder, it did that. They did a really good job of marrying both of them, like making them work so well together, the foundation and concealer. They did a really good job with that. I'm gonna let my under eye concealer sit a little bit, and I'm just gonna blend out the contour a little bit, just to add a little bit of shadow, as y'all can see. But it blends in so good. It blends in so well, it's so good. Just taking it up on my temple. Like, y'all see how easy that blend out? Like, I didn't even have to pound. I'm gonna show y'all on this side. This is my good side. Y'all see that? It blended out so well. And mind you, this shade is so dark on me. But y'all see how it blended out? Even though it is so dark on me. Look at that. Oh, y'all. This concealer is a win. And I'm gonna just tell y'all that right now. I'm just taking it down here. Gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get into it. I am appalled on how beautiful and just flawless this look. So the reason why I'm not actually filming like a look, like, you know, a makeup look, is I want the focus to be on this concealer and just how good it looks. So I'm about to set my whole face like I did yesterday. Halloween came early. Okay, you guys, I'm back and dusted that shit off my face. I am going to use my Minute Finish Face palette, and this is a stunting one. It's the next darkest one after the one that's meant for me, but I like using this one because I like to contour with the shade. So I can see it as well, love. I'm gonna just take that shade that's up there and I'm going to contour with that. Well, even though I did cream contour under there, I'm just reinforcing. That's the word. Reinforcing that contour. I was just thinking like, bitch, what the fuck is that word? Reinforcing that contour. Now I'm taking my Girls Night bronzer duo and I'm going to just use that to warm up my face. Even though it is fall, y'all, we still want that bronze. We want that bronze glow like J-Lo, period. We want that J-Lo glow. Now, I don't think I want to glow like J-Lo. I want to glow like Lupita. That's what I want to glow like, girl. Period. But y'all, this Fresh Glow bronzer just won the Allure Award. So shout out to the lip bar. I've been trying to get y'all on and put y'all hit to the lip bar and this bronzer for the longest. So it just won the award, Best in Beauty. Get it. Period. It is really, really good. Y'all can definitely still use my code JHeart for 10% off your purchase. That is every purchase with the lip bar. So yeah, but if you're a new customer, that's when it counts towards me. But other than that, you still get that discount. You get that 10% discount, y'all. Period. Now I'm going to take that same face palette and take the blush that's in there and use that to warm up my skin and my under eye in a way, because I'm looking a little sharp, darling. And I love to put blush on my cheeks. I mean on my nose. I love blush. Now I'm going to throw on some setting spray just to melt everything together. Taking a little bit of the Lip Bar's brow gel. I use the 2-in-1 quick draw pencil for my brows as well, and it kind of lightened it, and I actually like that. I'm going to use the Lip Bar's Lash Flash Strengthening Mascara. Y'all, this mascara is really, really good. Like the tiny wand of it is just like, really, really good. Like you can really get in that inner corner. So I'm about to pop on some falsies, and I'll be right back so we can do the lip. Okay guys, so I am back, and these are the McKinney lashes that I have on in the style, shit, what the hell is this style? Arena, this style right here. They look really nice and wispy. Really nice wispy lashes, and they're really pretty. So as y'all can see, my eye just
fucking kept watering.
I'm going to clean that up a little bit later. Right now I'm about to focus on the lips. I'm about to just take a lip liner. Now I'm going to take the Lip Bars liquid lipstick in Savage. And Savage is literally just like that nice brick brown that everyone needs. Literally, it is so pretty. Now for highlighter, I'm going to take the Be by Debs loose highlighter and Ice Me Out. Just apply that everywhere. I'm not applying this sparingly simply because it's just so cute. Like, y'all see that little luminosity that it gave me to my cheeks? And a little bit up here. It is so gorgeous. It literally, like, this pigment literally, I mean, this highlighter really reminds me of the Fenty Diamond Bomb, but in a loose version, and that's why I really love this highlighter. And I need to reinforce that highlight on my nose. Take the Ambreezy. Okay y'all, so this is pretty much the finished look. I'm about to go change and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so I am back and this is the final look. Y'all, these concealers, I'm just like, I already did the first impressions yesterday. Pretty much my first impressions were that, okay, the doe foot of the concealer, I could actually really get into my inner corners and, like, you know, really get into those tight spots, because, you know, most doe foots are typically big, like the Tarte Shape Tapes or anything like that, but this one is like really small and pointed. And also, like, as y'all can see, y'all don't see that dark mark that was there anymore. That was there, and I concealed with that, and I only used that concealer, that was it, and then the foundation on top of it. The concealer, I would definitely give this concealer a 10. Like, if you aren't a fan of the foundation, you would definitely love the concealer. It is really good. It is definitely buildable, and it blends out so well, as y'all saw me apply it, and also the contour as well. It blended out so good, y'all. Everything just blended out so smoothly. If you are a beginner in makeup, I definitely recommend this concealer. There are only 6 shades. Y'all don't have to be confused on which shade you can get if you know your shade family. And the foundation, you know your concealer, and everything is just laid out there. So yes, so yeah you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button if you did enjoy yourself over here. And with all that being said, y'all, I will catch you on my next video.